we all need, I'll just repeat, we all need a CD which is painted black and dried. If you don't have a CD, you can use any paper. You can do on black paper, white paper, anything, but dot art looks very beautiful on CD. And dot art is the original art of Australia. The tribal used to make art using dots. So we are going to make a landscape scene. All of you also please get a rough sheet, because I will be first teaching you how to make dots before we do on the CD. So everybody please get a rough sheet also. And the colors we are going to use are pastel or camelin acrylic paints. So the paints I am going to be using are white, purple, little bit of purple. If you don't have, that's fine. Little bit of orange, some yellow, and mainly I'll be using white, light blue, and another shade of blue. So if you don't have two shades of blue, that is also fine. You can use white and blue, and or in a palette you can mix white and dark blue to make a lighter blue. Okay, so colors you can vary. You don't have to copy my design. You can make your own design also. You can follow a similar kind of pattern to learn. Okay, and then once you learn, you can enjoy more and more. Come back to the CD. Now imagine that this is your horizon line here, half of it. Okay, you can draw a line with a pencil or not draw, just imaginary line. Okay, you may or may not draw the line, that is fine. Okay, so top part will be your sunrise or sunset, whatever you want to make, and bottom part will be your waves. So first we will do the waves. Waves take more, or okay, let's do one thing. Let's do the sunrise first, because that's a little easier than the waves. Okay, now what I am going to do, you can use yellow or white to make the rays. First we will make the rays. Okay, so how we will make the rays is, see, I have drawn this line like this. Okay, so what I am going to do, dip white, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, walk the dots, and same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, don't make your dots too far and don't make your dots too close. So in two directions I have done this, and in the center I will do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are my walk the dots in 3 directions, left, right, and towards the top, north direction. Okay, see, I'm having a tissue in my hands. I'm just wiping off my tool with the tissue. Okay, don't wet it. We don't want a wet tool. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some yellow. Okay, and in between these I will take a smaller tool. For example, I will take the front of the pencil. Okay, nib of the pencil, and I will dip in yellow color, and I'll make again walk the dots like this here. Okay, and here. See how beautiful they look. And don't make them too far off. In dot art, the more you fill, the better it looks. Okay, that's how we have filled it. You are able to see my yellow. It's a little fine, but I hope you can see. Okay. What we will do, fill this rest of the area. So I am going to take some orange. I am going to take some orange color and do random dots. So to do random dots, what I am going to do is that I am just going to, what are random dots? Done randomly here and there. Okay, so just I will dip once and 2-3 times put dots here and there. Okay, so now random dots, you have to fill this whole space with random dots. So we will start from yellow, orange, and finish with purple and red, or some colors like that. Okay, so you all have seen sunset, so I'm just filling filling this space with you can use a toothpick or a barbecue stick, okay, and just make random dots. So one time you dip and make 2-3 dots with the same paint, okay. Don't smudge, be careful. Don't put your dots on the existing dots because it is not yet dry, otherwise you can do it. It's not dry, so be careful. Okay, so here we will do more of orange like this. We'll first finish all the orange color. Now I filled a little kind of a semicircle here. What I'll do is now I'll spread the dots all over the upper half circle. So I will take the orange and spread the dots here and there now. Okay, so I have done some orange here. Now similarly I'll scatter some yellow dots. So what we'll do now is fill the rest of the space with purple or deep blue color like the sky color. Okay. So here you can paint that area black again and redo your work on it. Okay. So if it gets spoiled, don't worry. It does get spoiled for everybody. Even for me, it gets spoiled at times. So not to worry about that. Okay. Do it black after it dries and redo the work. Now I am taking purple and I am going to, you may not see purple on my screen, but I am going to try and fill rest of my space with some purple and some blue. So we are just going to finish with the sky. So this is like I'll give you all 10 minutes to finish, 5 to 10 minutes. Take your time to finish the sky, and I want to see everybody's thumbs up and the sky. Then I will start the water. Don't press your dots too hard. Your dots will become flat. If you put the dots very gently, then you will get a 3D kind of effect, like gems. You eat gems, all of you? So the dots look like gems if you put them gently and neatly. Okay, so I am done with my gems. So please take 5 more minutes to finish the sky work. Till you are all doing, I'll add some blue also. Keep your back straight, okay, so that it doesn't pain when you are doing this work. So we can gift fridge magnets to your friends and relatives. You can make rakhis, you can make friendship bands, you can make bookmarks on black paper. You can make such more CDs of different designs. There are such pretty designs in dot art. So you can paint any old thing into black color and do dot art. Dot art can be done on other colors also, but it looks very pretty on black especially because your dots will pop out. So most people do it on black. Yeah. So is everybody done with the sky part? Can you show me your sky? Then I will go to the water. Very good. Arna Bajaj, very nice. Sparsh, good. Kavika, good. Mangal, good. Niranjan, wow, Niranjan, very nice. Geetika, very good. Mangal, I saw yours. Manyata, good work. Manyata, very nice. The sea. Now here, the water has to be done like the waves I taught you on paper. The curved walk, the dots. Okay. So first we will take one color only and start with that. So I'm again, don't take very thick, don't use very fat side, I'm using again the same brush, which is kind of medium size, and I'll be using some toothpicks for this part. So first I'm going to do some white waves. So dip, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm getting 6 dots in a wave. Okay. So first I'm going to finish all my white waves. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make them at some distances, because after we are done with white, I'll add some blue waves below it. Okay? Now I'll add some blue. Is everybody done with white? Okay. So what you all have to do now, see, I've used white. I'll use a deep blue and a light blue. Okay. So if you don't have these two colors, you can mix a dark blue with white also, or use only one color. It is fine. Okay. So I am dipping again the same size of the tool in this blue, and below the white, just near the white, I am going to do blue. Just below all the whites, I am going to do blue in the same curved manner. Wow, Sheetal, very nice. Good job. You have varnished, Sheetal, at home? See. Okay. This is a dot art, a big one. So I have made very, very big dots here. This is another dot art. There I have made smaller dots. This is another dot art like a scenery. These are all done on canvas. I have painted them black. This is another thing. Here we have done a similar work for your CD, right? This is also a tiny one, small dot art. Okay. What size of tools you want to use, whether it's a bud, whether it's a back of pencil. See, today what we have used are very simple things available at everybody's home. Okay. So you have a pencil, you have a barbecue stick or a toothpick, and the backside of a brush. But if you are doing bigger projects, more work, then you can use dot art tools like this, which are available on Amazon. Okay, they are called clay modeling tools. People use them for clay modeling, but I use them for dotting. Okay, and then for very tiny dots, you get these nail dotting tools. But you really don't need to buy all these things. You can manage with things from home. Okay. And paints, you have to use acrylic paints only, which are not dry and where you have not added any water. So they should be fresh paints. While doing dot art, you should always keep your hands straight and do this. Now in dot art, there are 2-3 things: random dots, dots of same size. So for same size, you have to dip every time to make the same size dots. And for walk the dots, whether straight or curved, you will dip once and then do 5-6 times. Okay, so that's how you also do the dot mandalas. Okay, so these are the basics. And once your thing is totally dried, it's very good to varnish. You can buy varnish from stationery shops. Any clear synthetic varnish is okay. Varnish protects your paint, the paint will not come out and it will not chip and it will remain shiny. See, all the paintings that I have shown you, I never frame them. I just put varnish on them and just hang them like that because I like the 3D effect. So if I frame them, then the 3D effect hides behind the glass. I don't like that. I like my things to be 3D and fun to touch. Okay, so I varnish and store them. I don't frame them. So in one of the classes, if you are looking at my table, this is acrylic painting. This also kids did in one class. Okay, so we have two age groups, 5 to 8 and 8 years onwards. So this was done by the older kids. Then see, doodling, we did doodling in one class. So I have regular batches. So in each class we'll be learning a new craft or art. I mix both. So sometimes we do art, we even do tie and dye, paper marbling. Sunita, very nice, good job. Okay, so simple drawings. So depending on the age, like see, drawings like this. So it depends on the age group, the children that there are there. Then we did finger painting. Okay, this is the crocodile and the monkey story with fingerprint. Okay, so there will be, every class will have a very different kind of activity. Take 2-3 more because some kids are joining now. Nivriti, hide behind the CD. Shilpi, come. Okay, Ritika, please take 2-3 more. More children have come. Everybody has come there now. Number 2 is gone. Hazel, can you show? Good. Okay, one more time, Ritika, last time. Okay, done? Okay, done. Thank you. Chalo, bye. Bye, everybody. What did you say, Sunita? Bye.